Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LS model, all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. Okay, here we go. We're taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition here. Let's take a look at the headlamps. Headlamps are also in beautiful shape, look brand new. Grille's in beautiful condition. Look at the emblem on there. The other headlamp also in amazing shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood looks beautiful. Clean throughout, amazing condition. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Driver door, amazing condition. Clean throughout, beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Amazing shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, very nice. Walking around the rear here, rear hatch looks good. Let's take a close look at the rear lights. Beautiful shape throughout. No marks, no scratches on it, very nice. Rear glass is in beautiful shape, looks good. The bumper in the back looks amazing. Super nice condition. Passenger side quarter panel, beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Looks amazing, super clean. Taking a look at the front passenger side door, also in beautiful condition. Let's take a look here. Really nice. Amazing. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape there. Let's take a look at the windshield real quick. It does have two small chips, one here, one there. That's pretty much about it. Besides, that's a nice shape. No other marks on the windshield, looks good. Taking a look at the roof, flip cone. It's got a small little dent right there. That's pretty much about it. Next step, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a close look here. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at all the controls. Very nice. Got a pocket for storage there. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat is manual. It's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Really nice condition all the way through. Full set of floor mats. Really amazing condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Very nice shape throughout. Looks brand new. Taking a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat is in beautiful shape. Stitching is in beautiful condition. It's a two-tone. It's a manual seat, but it's in beautiful shape regardless. Dashboard steering wheel has full set of floor mats. Very nice condition. Really nice shape here. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at the armrest. Very nice condition. A little bit of storage there in the door. Take a look at the rear seats. Amazing condition. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at the armrest. Amazing condition. Little pocket there for storage. Rear seats, beautiful shape. Very nice, two-tone color. Looks amazing. Rear passengers also have AC vents back here and a couple USBs. Beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Really nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LS package all-wheel drive. Okay, has lock unlock, panic, Beautiful remote. I'm going to set it down here in the cup holder. This one does have push button ignition. So we're going to go ahead and press the brake. We're going to push the button. It's going to start right up. Take a look at the gauges. GM products, they always check the gauge by going all the way up and back down. So that means they're functioning completely. Fantastic. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at the information center here. It shows it's got 5,305 miles. Super nice. RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got a little information center there. We can click through it. Shows you the trip computers, the fuel range, average speed, timer. Super nice. Put it back on miles per hour. Then you could go ahead and do the settings here for the vehicle. Super nice. Tire pressure sensors, battery voltage, coolant temperature, and units. Then we also have here the Econo on this one. And we'll take it back again. We'll put it back on trip. And we'll leave it on miles. Now this one also has a safety feature, which this is the lane assist. Keeps you in the lane. And then this one's for the collision assist in the front. You could set up the distance. You can see that little line. So it's further away is safer. So we'll put it further away. And there's the lane assist here. So the rest of it's for cruise control. This one over here, that's where we move the information center. It's got to hang up your Bluetooth and all that stuff there. Super nice. This one has automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Really nice. Controls for the turning signals. Working perfect. This is for the front and rear wipers. It's got a really nice radio here. Let's take a look at the dash. We'll go back to the radio in a moment. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Steering wheel's in amazing condition. Let's take a closer look at the steering wheel. Super nice. Looks amazing. All right, take a look at the center console. Beautiful shape here. This is an all-wheel drive. Automatic transmission. Power brake release. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Let's see if there's anything down there. It's got a little tray here to put stuff down below. It's got a bunch of storage down there. Check it out. It's got a little LED light there at night or whatever. Super nice. Down below here we have our USBs auxiliary and our power plug. Look at that. Super nice. Up above here we have our OnStar information here. Passenger side front airbag if it's on or off. A couple little courtesy lights there. Take a look up above here. Vanity mirrors on both sides. Super nice. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner looks good. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape. That's pretty much about it. That's the interior right here. Looks super nice. Let's take a close look at the radio. Okay, here we go. So let's go back to home. We'll go to audio. More. So this one has AM, FM, satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Okay, fantastic. So those are the sources. Phone, you can set up your phone, connect it for Bluetooth there. Wi-Fi settings in case you subscribe to that stuff from GM. It's the system settings, apps. This one has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Vehicle, it has the rear seat reminder if you have a small child or whatever. Collision detection. So this one has forward collision system, pedestrian front detection, lane change alert, parking assist, and rear backup camera with parking symbols. Super nice, all those safety features. Then it has the regular stuff here, teen driver, valet mode, a lot of settings there. So we'll go back home again. Android CarPlay. And then this is the radio station it's on now, and it'll show you your phone information on the right. Shows you the Wi-Fi signal. Shows you the temperature and the time. Super nice. Down below here we have the bypass for the engine shutoff, hazard lights, the fan controller for the AC, temperature controller, front and rear defrost, And then these are the doors, wherever you want the air to come out of. Recycled. Beautiful. That's pretty much about it. That's everything on the interior, all the features and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We will be right back. Okay, we're all set. We'll take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. It drives super nice, feels super smooth. It is really quick. Feels so smooth, really nice. Sorry about the glare, but there's a lot of sun out here today, so. But it does feel really nice, super smooth. Drives amazing. Shifts perfect, drives really nice. This one only has 5,306 miles. Look at that. Okay, next step, we're gonna go ahead and test out the backup camera real quick, and then we'll conclude our test drive. Here we go. Let's find a little spot here to back up. There you go. Turn the wheel all the way. Super nice. Look at this. And then it has parking sensors in the back to let you know when you're getting close to something. Take a look. And it has a little symbol that comes up on the cluster letting you know what you're getting close to. So if I back up a little bit more, it should start beeping a little bit higher, but I guess it's just showing those bushes that are pretty far away, but it's letting you know you're getting close to something. Super nice. Really nice feature. Okay, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look at the cargo area in the back, and look at the engine compartment on this one. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a look. Very nice shape. Really amazing condition. It's got a little power plug here. Check that out. Super nice. Down below, a little bit of storage here. And beneath that, we have the spare tire. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks brand new. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Take a look at the emission sticker. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks beautiful. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Looks really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side tire. Look at that tire. Really amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing shape. Looks brand new. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side. Really nice shape. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet LS all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.